Hey guys, my name is Hayden Cassidy and I'm an Andis Global Educator. We're here today at my studio in London in the UK. Today I'm going to show you some of my favourite techniques that have helped me to become a successful barber. I hope you enjoy them and let's create together. In this video we're going to create a soft and subtle crop with a low skin fade. We're going to take you through a step-by-step on how to achieve this look. Start by using your Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to create your zero guideline. Start at the back of the nape and continue around to the temple, creating a nice clean balanced line. This guideline is the most important guideline in the haircut, as it's the beginning process of your fade and will create the shape of your fade. Once that's complete, we're now going to take the hair right down to zero using our Andis Copper Pro Foil Lithium Titanium Foil Shaver. I'm going to use the corner of the foil head to take the hair down, which will make sure that I don't create any line and any more work for myself. Next, I'm going to use my Andis US Pro cordless clipper to create my next guideline. My next guideline will be 1 finger's width above my zero guideline. To remove the line, we're going to close the lever and start to work on the line that we've created. I'm going to use the corner of my clipper to remove the weight that I've created. It's important to constantly open and close the lever when removing your guideline, ensuring that you are always changing your technique and what you do. To refine the fade underneath, we're going to use our Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to take the hair down even shorter. Next, we're going to use our number 1 attachment comb, open the lever and create our next guideline 1 finger above our previous step. Once that's complete, we're going to use our zero attachment comb to remove the line that we've created. Again, constantly using the corner of the clipper to remove the line. Next, we're going to use our number 1.5 attachment comb to create our next step and begin to blend into the guideline that we've created. Next, place your number 1 attachment comb on and remove the line that you've created. Again, always using the corner of the clipper to really work into any dark areas around the head. To refine the fade, we're going to use our zero attachment comb to work into any dark areas around the back of the head or the corners of the head. This is called refining the fade. Once that's complete, we're going to connect our fade to the top of the head by working with clipper over comb. We're going to use our US Pro cordless clipper and our comb to connect the blend. To remove the weight on our baseline, we're now going to work with reverse clipper technique. We're going to start to work with the grain of the hair to remove any weight that we've left. I'm doing this with my number 3 attachment comb. To create texture on the top of the hair, we're going to use our Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer and shaft the hair, taking up sections and working with the blade similar to point cutting. Next, I'm going to use my Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to create my C-shape outlines around the temple. This will enhance my fade. To finish the haircut, I'm now going to start to work on the beard. Going to take the beard down to a number 2 attachment comb and start to work in around the edges, fading the beard underneath and at the temple. Place your 1.5 on your Andis US Pro cordless and start to take down the cheek area. We're going to take this a little bit tighter than underneath to create a nice tapered fade along the beard line and jaw. Next, place your number 1. Working with the grain when working with the beard will allow you to smoothen the hair and sit them flat to the face. Next, we're going to use our Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to create our fade underneath the beard. This will be our first step in creating the fade. Next, we're going to use our Andis Pro Lithium Foil Shaver. And then our US Pro cordless, we're going to open the clipper and start to work to the 1.5 attachment comb length we've created. Repeating the same process as we have in the fade. When working with the beard, it's important to work against the hair in every direction. This will allow you to keep a nice balanced shape and length around the beard. To finish the fade, we're going to open the lever of our US Pro cordless clipper and start to work into our fade. After that, we're going to use our Andis Slimline Pro Lithium Trimmer to create our guidelines around the edge of the beard.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed some of the techniques I've shared with you. Enjoy using them in your everyday salon or barbershop, and I hope to see you soon.